Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Portfolio Management Framework for Cash Reserve Planning. To begin with, a cash reserve is an important part of a dividend portfolio because it helps you stay financially stable during emergencies, market volatility, or unexpected expenses. Instead of selling investments at the wrong time, a well-planned cash reserve can protect your dividend income strategy and keep your long-term plan on track. First, you need to define the purpose of the cash reserve. The main reason is to create stability and flexibility. A cash reserve can help cover emergencies, handle short-term needs, and reduce pressure during market downturns. It also allows investors to stay invested instead of being forced to sell dividend assets when prices are low. Next, you determine the target amount. A common range is 3 to 12 months of expenses, depending on income stability, risk tolerance, age, and personal responsibilities. For example, someone with stable income may need a smaller reserve, while someone with uncertain income or higher expenses may need a larger cash cushion. After that, you choose the sources for building the cash reserve. This reserve can come from existing savings, new contributions, dividend income that is set aside, or maturing securities such as bonds or short-term ladders. The goal is to build cash gradually without damaging the long-term investment strategy. Then, you decide where to hold the cash. The cash reserve should be safe, liquid, and easy to access when needed. Common options may include high-yield savings accounts, money market funds, or short-term treasury bills. However, the purpose is not to chase the highest return. The purpose is to keep money available with low risk. Now, you integrate the cash reserve with the dividend portfolio. This means maintaining the right balance between invested assets and cash. For example, a simple structure could be 80% invested and 20% in cash reserve, depending on personal goals and market conditions. This balance can help protect income while still allowing the portfolio to grow. Next, you review and replenish the reserve regularly. A quarterly review can help you check whether the cash reserve is still enough. If you use part of the reserve, rebuild it when possible. Also, adjust the amount over time as inflation, expenses, income, and life situations change. In addition, it is important to follow best practices. Keep the cash reserve simple, prioritize liquidity, and avoid complex strategies for emergency money. A cash reserve should help protect dividend income, not create unnecessary risk. It also helps investors stay disciplined by reducing emotional decisions during uncertain market conditions. Finally, remember the key lesson. A well-planned cash reserve gives peace of mind, reduces the need to sell investments at the wrong time, and helps you stay consistent with your dividend income and long-term wealth goals. It supports stability today while helping you remain focused on financial freedom in the future. This framework is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Cash reserve needs, dividend income, market results, taxes, fees, and investment risks may vary, so always do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making financial decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.